Hey guys, sorry for how I look literally like a mess right now, but I just got my wax pot in. Actually, I got 2 of them because, you know, you gotta have a safety one just in case. You know, like if in case it doesn't work or like if it doesn't heat up for whatever reason. And yeah, so here it is. There's a lot of packing peanuts, so I'm just gonna like empty these into the other container that I got, or box that I got, because I just also got my wipes in. And yeah, give me a sec. Okay, so I just took them out of the boxes, and as you guys can see, I got the Honeycomb Wax Co. Honey Wax Warmer Pot. One sec. Okay, so here's a better view of the boxes. I'm gonna open these up really quick. Okay, sorry, doing that with one hand and scissors is not the easiest thing in the world, so here we go. Open it up. And here we have the pot. Oh no, okay, I need another hand. One moment. Cute! She's little, and I love it.